Everybody, it's Ty Crandall here with Credit Suite, and in this video, we're going to dive into how you can get financing for your business even if you have credit issues. By the time I'm done, I'm going to introduce 3 different ways that you're able to get loans and credit lines to finance your business even if you have bad credit. So let's jump in. When it comes to getting financing for your business, what lenders are really looking for is what's called a lendable strength. This is the reason that they should lend you money. So if your issue is that you have consumer credit issues, well, then you just need to rely on another lendable strength to get approved. So for example, revenue is a great strength to be able to secure money for your business. If you've been in business as little as 3 months time, you're able to get approved for financing based on the amount of revenue you're generating and based on how you're actually managing your business bank account. Now, if revenue isn't something you have, maybe you're a startup, for example, well, then you can still rely on a lot of different financing that take collateral into account for your approval. So for example, you can use inventory or equipment. You can use purchase orders or account receivables. You can even use stocks, bonds, 401ks, IRAs, real estate, and vehicles as collateral to get financing for your business. And the best part is credit doesn't even matter for the approval. You can still get interest rates lower than 5% regardless of personal credit quality. Now, another way you can go, and a third option, is use a guarantor. If you have a guarantor that has good credit, maybe a mother, father, grandparent, another family member, friend, potential investor, you can use their credit to get unsecured business financing. The credit that you'll obtain will help you build business credit. It reports on your business credit reports, so it won't even adversely affect their consumer credit at all. So you can use their personal guarantee to be able to obtain financing for your business. So there's 3 different ways that you can get financing for your business based on collateral, based on cash flow, or based on a guarantor, even if you have credit issues. If you'd like to get approved right now, go to creditsuite.com/get funding. That's creditsuite.com/get funding, and we'll go to work to help you get the most amount of financing for your business at the best terms. Again, this is Ty Crandall with Credit Suite. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you check out our other videos to get more tips on getting financing and credit for your business.